Hi, Kevin here from Stained Glass Stuff in Ottawa, Canada. We're just following up on our bird on a branch project that we had foiled the other day. There's one piece left that we want to just clear up some misconception on. So we're wrapping the foil around the last piece. We want the overlap of the foil to be in this section here where it's touching the glass and not on the exposed outer part where it could then lift up and flap off during cleaning, during soldering, that kind of thing. So I'm going to pick it up here and start on the inside using EDCO black 3/16 foil, the best foil there is.
So that's why you always take home the pattern to foil at home, right? So you know which side is the outside and which side is the inside.
For a sun catcher project like this, if you pan a bit to the side here, you can see our big floral pattern. This is going to be in a panel, so that doesn't really matter. But for a sun catcher, a box, a terrarium, anything with an exposed edge that's not going to be framed in, then this is a good detail to do.
So you're using your favorite FID, the popsicle stick?
One well-used popsicle stick. We also have plastic ones, some wooden ones. We heard there's a new style one that might be coming out. We'll keep you appraised of that. So burnish it down.
Both sides.
There. So now the seam was up here at the front, right behind the beak, and it gets buried and then will not lift. Ta-da!